Hey guys, what's going on here? It's Jake Mooney. I'm making a video that you will not believe. Seriously, it's with your hair. It's fun. It's a fun. No one did. I always blame some people before. But it's like, it's like just a big, massive. It can do loud, noisy, anything. I, prank people with. So, I rang my granny and granddad before. So, okay. I want to say hello to some fellas I know in my school. Tom, Aidan Moody, Brian Moody, Craig, Aaron, James, Killian, Aidan, Kay. Who else? Just everyone in my class I want to say hello to. And make sure you